Shane here at Cambacho Project Farm. Look, I'm just having a recreational Sunday afternoon, 14th of December 2025. I've just laser marked a contour out here. This is close to like machinery shed, big hay shed, and it's like a driveway, hard as. So I've just been along here with the mattock and broken the surface, and I put the hose in to apply a little bit of water to soften the digging up a little bit for me. And you know, just putting the hose in, it looks like I got my laser levels right. And we continue on down here, and I was feeling a little bit energetic earlier, so I actually completed the contour here with the mattock. And what we're doing with this contour is we're taking it in here. You can see we've got a iron curtain here. We salvaged this from, you know, the USSR when they pulled the curtain down, pulled the wall down. We got a few sheets of iron to make our own iron curtain. But I've got a garden here with some trees in it and Queensland arrowroot. And in here at the end there's a little finger lime, and it kind of struggles here, so everything takes it over. So I'm now focusing water onto it here. So I've dug a pond above it. I can introduce any amount of fertility in there to feed the thing from the underneath, and it'll now harvest the water off this hard ass slope here around these sheds and close to the cattle yard, and there's the loading ramp there for the cattle yards. So we'll start, instead of this stuff just running, and a lot of this runs down here to the old dairy and goes straight in what was the doorway there when the drainage system blocks up. So we're wheeling it. I've got a shorter contour down there that's feeding a few trees near that stack of hay, which is a compost heap. But yeah, this is the next one up the slope to manage the water a little bit so it doesn't go roaring down to the old dairy. And yeah, so that's what I've been doing. Simple as that. One chop with the mattock to break the surface, put some water in to soften things up a little bit, and tomorrow it should be reasonably easy digging. So I'm pretty impressed with a Chinese laser level and the work it does. So, you know, this is as level as, and we got literally nothing there. We've probably dug down maximum of 50 millimeters or whatever they are. Yeah, 50 a couple of inches maximum. Got really no contour bank. We've just got a ditch, and you can see I've just chucked the hose in here, and there goes the water. It's finding its level down this thing, and I'll get this nice and wet this afternoon, and then get into it tomorrow and do a little bit more digging and complete it the same as this bit up here, which is literally, you know, we've dug down probably 100 mil, and we got a 100 mil high bank. So it's not a monumental piece of engineering, but it will manage the water off this bit of landscape here. And this is a great way to pick up water off your driveways and focus it onto a fruit tree or something, or focus in where you want to grow something. Instead of having it just ripping down your driveway, you can build these tiny little contours, and you know, if they wear down from being driven over or walked over or whatever, just grab the mattock and build them back up again. They do an awesome job of managing your water in the landscape, you know, in these places around the house, around the driveways. So no more washed out driveways, no more flooded dairy, and we've got a fruit tree and a garden at the end there that's going to benefit from it all. So that's it from me today. Have a nice next week.